Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Violitha Ramdhani. I'm from University of Aisyah Bandung. What I want to teach today is trip and trick TOEFL written skill 14 and 15. This talk is divided into four main parts. First, what does TOEFL mean? Second, tips and trick for the written expression question. Third, skill 14 adjective and adverb, and fourth, skill 15 adjective after linking verb. To start firstly, I'll be talking about what does TOEFL mean. The test of English as a foreign language, or TOEFL, is a standardized test to measure a person's English proficiency. It tests listening, reading, and grammar skill, structure, and writer, with a perfect score being 677. Secondly, I'll be talking about skill 14. This skill is about adjective and adverb. Adjective describe noun or pronoun, while adverb describe verbs, adjective, or other adverb. As you can see here, the position of adjective and adverb. Adjective, a one-word adjective comes before the noun is described. It doesn't noun come directly after. Adverb can appear in many positions. It cannot be used between a verb and its object. Let me give you example adjective. It is delicious meal. Delicious is adjective and meal is a noun. Here we can see adjective comes before the noun it describes. Example, adverb. He writes letter quickly. Write is a verb and quickly is a adverb. Next, exercise number 1. The planet Mercury has a moderately elliptical orbit. The sentence contains the word orbit, which is a noun, where the previous must have an adjective. Then we see the previous word is elliptically, which is an adverb, and of course this is the wrong one. Is answer D. Number 2. In the northern United States, 2 European species of small white birch and extensive plant as ornamental. If you look closely, there is the word planted, and this is an adjective. Previously there was an extensive word, and this is also an adjective. So this is wrong because adjective should not be afflamed again by adjective but by adverb. Thirdly, skill 15 adjective after verb linking. Generally, adverbs are written directly after the verb rather than the adjective because the adverb describes the verb. However, you have to be very careful if the verb is a linking verb. Linking verbs are followed by adjective, not adverb. If you look at the screen, you'll see this table. Here are linking verbs that is appear, be, become, feel, look, prove, seem, smell, and taste. A good exercise of this is number 1. Acting what fluorescent bulb seems obliquely as a 75-watt incandescent bulb. We can see here there is the word seem, and we need to remember that this is a linking verb that must be followed by an adjective. But after the word seem, that appear is correctly, which is not an adjective but an adverb. Then this is wrong, and the answer is B. And last, the Erie Canal became so successfully a cheap transportation that it was greatly endangered between 1835 and 1862. There is a very prominent word here which explains that it is a linking verb is become. And remember, the after that is has to be an adjective. Let looks Add the next word, successfully, which is not an adjective but an adverb. So this is a wrong word and answer is A. Let's end today's presentation with this quote from Albert Einstein. They say, strive not to be a success, but rather to be a value. Thank you for attention. I hope this presentation has given you new insight on the TOEFL part written skill 40 and 15. And yeah, goodbye. See you on the next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.